Hello friends, welcome to School Bus. Hi! Today we are going to make guava pickle. It's very tasty. Yes, our main ingredient is guava. Let's go to the garden to pick some fresh guavas. Wow, it's full of guavas. I think it's enough now. Let's wash them first. We need guava, sugar, salt and chili powder. Cut the guava into small pieces. Be careful when you're cutting them. Put those small pieces into a bowl. Now add chili powder, sugar and salt. Then mix all. Shall I? No, I can. Now our pickle is ready. Wow, it looks very tasty. Make it and taste it. Like and subscribe School Bus for more videos. See you next time.